Today we are going to learn about different leaders in our community. They are often referred to as community leaders. First, I want you to think about, what does the word community mean to you? Think about how you would describe it in your own words. Now, think about what the word leader means to you. Think about qualities leaders have. Some different leaders of the community are police, firefighters, EMTs or emergency medical technicians, the mayor, and teachers. All of these leaders of the community have different jobs and play different roles to make sure we have a great community to live in. Police officers can be men and women. Police officers are community leaders because they help keep the community safe by fighting crime, and they also enforce the laws. Police officers typically have a uniform similar to the one in the picture. They also have a badge that shows you that they are real police officers. You should always feel like you can trust a police officer and go to them with any problems. Firefighters have lots of jobs. Their main job, though, is to fight fires. They also are called first responders because they respond first to any 911 calls that are given in the community. Most firefighters also have some emergency medical training as well. EMTs or emergency medical technicians. These are the people that come to help you when you are hurt before you get to the hospital or a doctor's office. They come often during car accidents or if people get sick when they are at home or school or somewhere out in the community. The mayor is like the president of the city. The mayor helps to make sure that the community is running smoothly and everyone is safe, happy, and healthy. The mayor is a very busy person who works closely with lots of other community members. Teachers are also community leaders because they are helping to teach the future of tomorrow. Teachers can teach kids of all different ages, from very small babies all the way to adults. You should also always feel like you can trust a teacher if you have a problem with something. Their main job is to make sure that you learn to the best of your ability. Teachers are trying to prepare kids for the future. I want you to think about what other jobs could community leaders do besides the ones I've already talked about. Maybe you've had an experience with a community leader and you've seen them or heard about them doing a job that I did not talk about. I also want you to think about when you might need a community leader. Have you ever needed the police or a firefighter or an EMT or a mayor or a teacher to help you do something? Think about that. The first one I want you to talk about is the police. The second one I want you to talk about is firefighters. The third one I want you to talk about are EMTs. The fourth one I want you to talk about is the mayor. And finally, the fifth one is I want you to talk about teachers. You will now identify what community leader the following pictures represent. Look at the pictures and decide what community leader is being represented by the pictures. Please identify the community leader these pictures represent. Please identify the community leader these pictures represent. Please identify the community leader these pictures represent. Please identify the community leader this picture represents. Please identify the community leader this picture represents. You did a great job today, class, learning about community leaders. Remember, these people are all over your community and you run into them all the time and probably don't even realize it. Also remember that a lot of the community leaders we talked about have uniforms. Just because a community leader is not in their regular uniform does not mean they stop being a community leader. Also think about what are some ways you could be a community leader in the classroom or in your neighborhood or in your city